What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. So I've done reviews on all these products you see right here in front of me. This is the Tile Mate, which actually has like a little key ring holder. You can place it on your keys. I got it on a lanyard right here, and these are the actual tile stickers. Now the tile stickers are basically just little dots with sticky pads on the back. You can set these up and you can stick them on the back of items. And this in front of us is the Google Nest Mini. So since I've done reviews on all of these before, really I just want to show you how easy it is for these to actually work together. Because once you actually get your Google Home app downloaded, you come in here and you hit setup device. And once you hit setup device, you're going to go to new or whatever. And then you're going to type in tile, which I already have tile devices set up in mine. And once you get those connected, now your tile devices can be used with your Google Mini. So just to demonstrate how this is going to work, once you got them set up, you know that you actually just go ahead and go through the application. So there's a tile application, which I have on my phone right here. And you can set tiles up, activate them. All you do is go to activate tile and you press the little center button. Once you get all that done, you're good to go. So just to show you how this works when it's set up, you press the center button. So you double press that center button and it'll actually ring your phone, which it's doing right now. So I don't need that to do that. We just want to show you that it is working. So I'm going to sit this down right there. So once we actually get this ready, I'm just going to say the keyword over here. Okay, Google, ring my keys.
Sure, locating keys.
So then it's going to basically just tell me that it's locating the keys. And once it locates the actual key, that's what you get. And once you press that after you've located it, you're good to go. So it does work. It's going to save you a lot of headache because if you're like me, I misplace my keys all the time. And these little stickies are going to actually help you because I put these on the back of like remotes and controllers and things like that. I think one of these is connected to a remote. So I'll say, okay, Google, ring my remote.
Sure, locating remote.
So once it says locating, it's this one right here. So once it says locating, it's going to connect and you're going to be good. You press the button to actually stop it. And since that one was for my remote, the other one must be for my backpack. So I'm going to just say, okay, Google, ring my backpack.
Okay, locating the backpack.
And there you go. So that is how they're going to work. Now, I use one for my backpack because sometimes I just drop it in different parts of the house. And depending on where I am, I can just ring it. So you'll be able to find whatever you've lost, no matter what part of the house it's in. Now, these actually have a 200-foot radius on them. So they're going to go a pretty good distance. And there is an actual tile community. So if people see your things, they can find them for you, just depending on if they're going to return them. But I think it's an awesome feature because if you're at home, you can now locate all of your things that have one of these located to it. You can pick up a 4-pack of these tile devices for about $40. So roughly about $10 a piece. And I think it's a really good investment. I have a bunch of these. I have one in my wallet. I have one in my backpack, one on my remotes, different things like that. And the Google Nest Mini is a great device to have because it's basically your personal secretary. It's going to help you do anything, your personal little assistant. And this is the newer model, just been upgraded, has the better microphone on it, has the wall mount on it, has the DC adapter connected to it. All around a better device, but not a whole lot of upgrades, but it's still a good device all the same. So Tile and Google put together are going to make it so that you will never have to lose your keys again. So that's the whole point of this setup, is so that you can know where everything is at all times. So the Tile Mate, the tile stickers, any of the tile devices will work. The keyword you have to use is, you know what? Ring my whatever. So just keep that in mind. You have to use that phrase or it will not find them. If you use find my, it will just tell you it's looking for it, or it'll tell you the last spot it was. Check this out. Hey, Google, find my keys.
Okay, Keys was last seen today at 3:55 p.m. near home.
Ring my keys.
Sure, locating Keys.
So you see the difference. Find my keys will actually tell you where they were last at, and ring my keys will actually set it off so that you can find it. So great companion, great device, two great things that are going to work together, make your life a whole lot easier. The tile with the Google Nest Mini. Great companions. I suggest you go out and grab some. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Tile mate, tile stickers, can't go wrong. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and don't forget the Google Nest Mini back there. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.